always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
A fair amount of sunshine around West Michigan today, but it remained fairly chilly with high temperatures around 30 degrees this afternoon. It should become more seasonable as we travel into Monday, with high temperatures jumping by about 10 degrees tomorrow. It's going to be windy and warmer into Wednesday as we crack into the 50s for the third time this year. And we're also evaluating a chance of substantial soaking toward the middle of this week, which could be changing over into some mixed precipitation and some snow Wednesday into Thursday. There's the view outside in Grand Rapids right now. We've been treated to some sunshine out there today. Current temperature at just 27 degrees, though. The wind from the west at 11 miles per hour is reducing the wind chill value to 17. Here's a glance at our current temperatures now, spread out from the mid-20s to the lower 30s. It is 31 degrees in Battle Creek, 27 for South Haven, checking in with 26 in Fremont, 28 degrees in Big Rapids and Mount Pleasant. It is a little bit warmer than this same time yesterday. We should continue that trend forward into Monday. Winds are fairly weak out there, between about 5 and 10 miles per hour, drawn from the west. Here's a look at what the next 24 hours are going to bring us in West Michigan. Mostly clear skies for tonight. Temperatures falling down into the upper teens. And tomorrow looks to be a bit more mild for our Monday, with some periods of sunshine before increasing clouds late in the afternoon and the possibility at seeing a strip of some showers pass through. Let's take a look at the next few days here. Temperatures are going to be on the incline. Partly cloudy skies tomorrow with a late passing shower. Rain is going to be fairly widespread on Tuesday, and we should expect to see that carry over into Wednesday as the wind picks up some steam. That'll turn from the south to the northwest, gusts up to about 40 miles per hour. And with that punch of some colder air late in the day, we should expect to see a change from rain over into some snow. Here's a look at Storm Track Live right now. You can find that we have high pressure circulating to our south, and after a couple of flurries and light snow showers earlier on today, you can see that high pressure was responsible for deflecting away the cloud cover and the precipitation through this afternoon. And again, that did allow us to enjoy some sun. Here's a look at Futurecast now. We should start the day off with a little bit of sunshine on Monday. You can see that little strip of showers pass through toward the evening. And it looks like on Tuesday we'll have widespread rain. You can also find that we'll have an area of low pressure nearby. Possibility of hearing a rumble of thunder or two as we go through Tuesday, but no severe weather is expected. Continuing to hold on to a chance of rain into Wednesday. There you can see that transition over into some mixed precipitation and some snow late Wednesday heading into Thursday. As far as the snow goes, it looks like accumulations with that should be fairly minimal, but toward the lakeshore there could be an inch or two. Here's a look at how much rain is coming, and that is going to be fairly significant. A ½ inch to an inch widespread across West Michigan. That's totaling everything out through Thursday. Again, there is the possibility of hearing a rumble of thunder on Tuesday with a greater chance of severe weather pretty far off to the south. Let's get a look at the timeline then for our precipitation. Steady rain is likely on Tuesday, maybe a rumble of thunder. Rain switching over to snow on Wednesday. Thursday should be fairly quiet with just a couple of lingering flurries. The 8-day forecast shows that we have that time change happening next weekend. Another reminder, bring those clocks forward. Duncan?